Hello students, welcome back to our English class. I hope so. Everyone are good and safe. In today's topic, we are going to see about robo. Already, we have seen about robos in our prose and poem. We saw how many types of robos are there, how robos are used in our day-to-day life. Before moving on to our topic, I want to ask you a few questions. How many of them have gone to exhibition? Most of us? Yes, very good. In today's class, we are going to see about Robo Expo. In Robo Expo, all types of robos will be placed and we will be learning lots of new things about robo. How many of them have gone to robo exhibition? Very few? Not bad. Here in this image, people are in a robo expo. So I want everyone to imagine yourself that you are in a robo expo. Shall we move on? Yes. There was a girl named Anita. Anita went to a robo expo for a vacation and she wanted to share it with the friends. Even if we went to some places, we will be eagerly waiting to share it with our friends. Isn't it? Yes. So Anita wanted to share her experience with the friends. Anita's conversation with her friends. Now we are going to see Anita's conversation. Her friends asked Anita, "Hi, you look excited. Anything special?" For that, Anita replied, "Yes, I went to the Robo Expo yesterday. I was so excited seeing all the robos." Her friends told her, "Yes, tell us more." So, Anita told her friend that, "Yes, I went to the Robo Expo yesterday." So, Robo Expo means Robo exhibition. She felt excited by seeing all the robo there. Then Anita continues her conversation. A humanoid welcomed me into the hall. Now we all have a question, right? What is that? The same question was raised by her friends too. What is that? Anita explained. A robo that looks like a human is a humanoid. It even knew her name. I was so surprised and shocked that I stood there frozen. So she gives explanation for humanoid. A robo that looks like a human is a humanoid. It even knew her name. So she was surprised and shocked and stood there frozen. Her friends reacted, "Wow." Next, in this picture, you can see a humanoid, isn't it, children? Yes, a humanoid robo with its body shape built to resemble the human body. What is a humanoid? A humanoid robo with its body shape built to resemble the human body. Okay, here in this picture, what you all can see? You all can see a robo. Yes, very good. How does it resemble? Resemble like a human. Yes. So it is a humanoid. Yes, very good. Now Anita continues her conversation with the friends. Anita, I'm getting started. A robo just looked at me and named the things I had with me. So Anita tells her friends that she just entered the exhibition. A robo saw her and named the things she had with her. Her friends told Anita that, "Amazing! It must have scanned you with its eyes." So Her friends are telling Anita that it must have scanned you with its eyes, so then only it can name the things you had with you, isn't it? Yes, very good. Now Anita continues. The next robo danced for the songs played by the visitors. I suddenly saw a butterfly sitting on my shoulder. To my surprise, it was a robo. They were robos of ants and fish too. So here, what does Anita tell? Anita tell her friends that the next robo danced for the songs played by the visitors. When suddenly she saw a butterfly sitting on a shoulder. To her surprise, it was a robo. It was a robo butterfly. They were robos of ants and fish too. Okay, here in this image, what you can see, a butterfly is sitting on someone's shoulder, isn't it? Yes. So, same, the butterfly robo sat on Anita's shoulder too. Okay, here in this image, what you all can see, two types of fishes is. How does it resemble? It resemble like robo, isn't it? Yes. So, these two types of fishes are robo fishes. Okay, here in this image, what you all can see? Can see an ant. Yes, it is a robo ant. So, in this video, what and all we saw? We saw about Anita's experience on robo exhibition. What types of robos we saw? We saw an humanoid. How does it resemble? It resembles like a human. And we saw about fish robo, ant robo, and butterfly robo. Okay, children. Today's homework is I want everyone to write how many types of robos did Anita see in the Robo Expo. I repeat, how many types of robos did Anita see in the Robo Expo? In our next video, we will see how robos are made. Thank you, children, for listening. Have a good day, and I want everyone to submit your homework on time. Thank you, children. Have a great day.